Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Something strange is happening again. I can feel it moving inside me. Hick! Did you hear that? Hick, hick, hick. There it goes again. The hiccup is on me. Of course, they are all over me. The Hiccup Ghosts. They have returned in 3 powerful waves. Fast, faster, and fastest. Mama, Papa, Carmen, Lucan, come quickly. I need your help again. I was sitting peacefully, minding my own business, when something jumped inside my chest. I looked around, but I saw nobody. Still I knew I had an unexpected guest. Hick! The first hiccup ghost came fast, moving like the wind across the floor. Before I could catch my breath, it knocked loudly upon my diaphragm's door. I drank some water and held my breath, counting slowly from 1 to 10. I thought the little ghost had disappeared, but it jumped right up and struck again. Hit, hit! I turned to the left and turned to the right. I stood on my toes with all my might. I bent down low and looked up high, but the hiccup ghost refused to say goodbye. Hiccup ghost, take them off him.
Take them off him.
They're shaking my diaphragm.
We are coming to help you.
Mama and Papa, can you hear me?
Yes, John, we hear you.
Carmen and Lucan, come quickly.
Hold on.
We are coming through.
Take them off me.
Take them off me.
Take them off me.
Don't let these hiccups control me. Fast, faster and fastest they came, but together we will defeat them again. Then the second wave came even faster, marching through me 2 by 2. One said hit and another said hit, and I did not know what else to do. Hit, hit, hit. The sound moved outward and inward as my diaphragm expanded below. I tried to command the ghosts to leave, but they shouted no, no, no. They bounced through the kitchen. They followed me down the hall. They shook me while I was standing, and they shook me when I sat against the wall. I tried some water very slowly. I tried to breathe calmly and deep, but every time I thought they were finished, another hiccup made a mighty leap. I said, hiccup ghost, listen carefully. My body is not your playground. Pack your bags and move along. Stop making that hiccuping sound. How did the first one come?
Fast.
How did the second one come?
Faster.
How will the final one come?
Fastest.
Where are they striking?
His diaphragm.
What sound are they making? Hick, hick, hick. Outward and inward, the diaphragm moves. The hiccup ghosts are finding their groove, but family power is stronger than fear. Hiccup ghosts, get out of here! Oh, Mama, Papa, Carmen, Lucan, and everyone who knows me well. You have seen these hiccups before. You recognize their troublesome spell. Many times you were the ones who told me, John, your hiccup is on again. Before I could finish my answer, hick, those ghosts would begin their game. Mama came with words of comfort. Papa said, son, remain strong. Carmen said, breathe very slowly. Lucan said, these ghosts won't stay for long. Everybody gathered around me, forming a powerful family line. They said, John, we're here beside you. Your battle has now become mine. I
try.
Are the ghosts going to win?
No, we will make them fly.
Who are we?
My helping family.
What will we do?
Chase these ghosts away from me.
One family, one voice,
One determined stand.
we will fight the hiccups hand in hand. Fast, faster,
Or fast as they may be,
but they cannot defeat.
my family.
I remember when the hot ghosts came, burning around me like a fiery flame.
They covered the day with terrible heat and tried to knock me from my feet. The hot ghost shouted, "We will remain." But my family stood against their claim. Mama brought hope and Papa brought strength. Hey, everyone stayed with me at length.
Carmen and Luke
Joined the fight, standing beside me day and night. The hot ghost weakened and finally fled, taking the burning flames with them instead.
we celebrated when the heat
Was gone,
we gave thanks and
carried on.
we learned that
Whenever we stand together, we can overcome the stormiest weather.
now the hiccup ghosts are
Testing me,
but I remember
our form of victory.
my hiccup ghosts. 3-minute song extension. I think I hear something coming back. Hic! Oh no! One little hiccup ghost was hiding behind the door. I thought the battle was finally over. I thought every troublesome ghost had gone. But one little ghost hid behind the curtain, waiting quietly to continue the song. It crept toward me on its tiny feet, trying to hide beneath the reggae beat. It climbed upon my chair and shouted, "Hic!" Then jumped upon my diaphragm very quick.
Little hiccup ghost,
What are you doing here? Your friends have left, so you must disappear. You cannot frighten John today. Turn yourself around and go away. The ghost said, I am the final hiccup. I came to give you one last shake. I said you chose the wrong family and made one very serious mistake. Mama stood up with courage. Papa raised his powerful voice. Carmen and Lucan stood beside me. The little ghost no longer
had a choice.
who is hiding behind the door.
One little hiccup ghost,
What does it want? To trouble John once more?
we allow it.
No, not today.
Little hiccup ghost,
Turn around.
pack your bag and go away.
Return.
To the primary song,
Hit them off him.
hey, to the primary song,
Take them off him.
hey, to the primary song.
Chase them away.
Fastest hiccup ghost,
You cannot stay.
take them off me, take them off me.
Don't let these hiccups control me. Fast, faster, and fastest they came. But together, we will defeat them again. Mama and Papa, we are standing beside you.
Carmen and Lucan,
We are coming to help you.
family and friends,
We hear your plea.
please take these hiccup ghosts
Away from me. Outward and inward, the diaphragm moves. The hiccup ghosts are finding their groove. But family power is stronger than fear.
hiccup ghosts.
Get out of here. We fought the hot ghosts.
We fought the cold ghosts,
Now we are fighting the
hiccup ghosts.
The hot ghosts could not defeat us. The cold ghosts could not remain. The hiccup ghosts will discover that our family has risen again. the fast ghost gone?
Yes, it is gone.
Is the faster ghost gone?
Yes, it has moved on.
What about the fastest ghost? It ran to the door. Will we let them come back? Never anymore. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, the hiccup
Ghosts are gone.
Mama, Papa, come and look and
Thank you for helping me carry on.
no more shaking,
No more fear.
no more hiccups.
Jump in here.
My diaphragm is settling down. Peace and quiet have returned to town. Hiccup Ghosts.
We took them off you.
We took them off you.
We chased them away.
Where are they going? Far, far away. Will they return?
Not today.
We defeated the fast ghost.
We defeated the faster ghost.
We defeated the fastest.
Hiccup Ghosts.
The family stood together.
The battle has been won.
The hiccup ghosts are gone forever, and our celebration has begun. Hic, oh no, not again. Don't worry, family. I'm only joking.